Hi guys, it's Ariel Fox and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you enjoy this video. I'm trying to build my subscribers up to 1,000, getting there very slowly. I'm not even at 500, so I feel like I'm being ambitious, but please help me get there. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and also give me a like. This is something I've been planning to do for quite a while, but they've all been out of stock, so I haven't been able to do it. But finally, I managed to get my hands on the iPhone XS Max. Today I'm going to be unboxing this and giving you my first thoughts and opinions on this iPhone, and you'll see my first reactions because it is still sealed. I picked it up today and I've been resisting so hard not to open it before I set out to do this video. This is going to be quite a brief video because I'm really hungry and I want my dinner. I'm going to quickly sum up what I think of this. I'm also going to do a size comparison and a screen comparison with my iPhone 6s Plus. This is what I'm currently using at the moment. I absolutely love this phone. This phone is so nice, but I've been wanting to upgrade for a while because I like new shiny things. And I want to upgrade before I smash this one because I've actually had this one for about 2 years now and I haven't smashed it, and that is just unknown for me. The main reason why I got this phone is because it has an amazing camera and it has lots of good storage, and it also has a nice big full screen. So let's open it up. When you get into the box, you have this standard Apple pack bit you get with all iPhones. I'm not going to go into too much detail on that because I know everyone's just here to see the actual phone itself, so I'm going to get straight to that bit. And this is the first peek of the phone itself. It is slightly unnerving because it does kind of look like I've got the wrong colour, but I haven't. It's just because the screen goes all the way around this time. And then this is the phone out of the box. It looks really nice. It's got such a pretty back on it and it's very shiny. This is the back of the phone up close, and you can see it's got that beautiful shine on it. It almost catches like different colours. I'm not really sure what that effect is called, but it seems to be very popular at the moment and this phone seems to have it. And then this is the front of the phone. I've still got the protective screen on it and I'm going to take that off now. Could also be almost be one of those AMSR videos. So this is the phone out of the wrap. Now you can see that it's extra shiny now. It's really pretty. It feels a lot heavier already compared to my 6s Plus. So I'm hoping that I do not drop it because the weight difference. So while this is turning on, I'm going to have a little look at the other stuff in the box. The next thing in the box, I've got headphones, standard with all of the iPhones, and they look like they are the traditional old headphones. I'm going to open them up and check. These headphones have the new connection on them. As you guys are probably already aware, Apple have ditched the normal headphones, which I don't know how I feel about it because I don't tend to use headphones much with my phone anyway. I usually put my music on my MP3 player instead. I know, old school, but it just saves room on my phone and stops it from going really slow. So finally you have the charger. Apparently this is the lightning charger, so I'm hoping my phone charges at lightning speed. The problem I have with this is probably the same with a lot of the other people that have reviewed this phone so far, is that they make a big scene about you being able to just put the phone on the charger to be able to charge, but they don't provide the phone with that charger. They just provide it with this bog standard charger, that money on a phone, and you just get the cheapest, most basic essentials rather than the fun swanky stuff, and you kind of want that when you're spending that much money on a phone. I mean, I'm sure the phone's going to be brilliant, but come on. So back onto the phone, it is now on, as you can see, saying hello. I'm going to set this up quickly and go through the process. I'm presuming it's the same as normal. For the setup, it is saying if you have an iPod or iPad running, you can hold it near and it will set itself up. I'm going to actually test that on camera to show you how responsive this is, and look, it's already popped up, which is good. Apparently you've got to match the pattern now. And now it's doing stuff. So now I am on Face ID, and I thought it would be funny for you guys to watch me set this up because I'm probably going to look like a crazy where I'm setting this up. Position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Are you ready? I'm not. Oh my god, this feels really weird. I think I'm set up at last, and it's just going to talk through now how to use the phone without a home button. I'm not sure what you think about not having a home button. I quite like it. I do like having the home button on my old phone, but then I prefer the look without it. So I was wondering how on earth am I going to use it without the home button, but it's going to talk through now. So to actually unlock the phone, I've just skipped this one because I didn't realise it was getting into stuff that would actually be useful for you guys to see. So you just swipe up to unlock the phone, and then it pops up and it does your Face ID and it scans it automatically. You don't see yourself every time it does that either, it just automatically does it. This one is saying for switching between apps, swipe up from the bottom edge and then release to show your recent apps. Swipe down from the top right edge to open the control center. Press firmly on the control to reveal more options. I had to go off for a bit because it took about 15 minutes to download all my apps properly when I logged back in. So now it is done and we can have a look inside. So this is what it looks like on. It's very funky. I did all my apps. There's some that are missing because it was just taking so long, so I have to stop them from downloading. When I go into my messages, it says what's new in messages. So we're gonna have a little look at what's new in messages. I'm in messages now, and it says do more with messages, make your own emoji, which I need to do. A new way to share with message photo app. It is easier to share great moments. Your conversation is streamlined. I don't really know what any of these things mean, but it sounds good, I guess. I'm gonna make one of me because it's sort of standard, you kind of have to. This is me apparently. This does not look like me at all, but that's the closest I can get. Yeah, so I won't be using this. It's a fun feature just to create yourself. I guess if you've got like signature coloured hair and really cool glasses and stuff, you can make it look just like you. Maybe for when I had my red hair this would be more convincing because there was a cool bright red hair option. But other than that, this does not look like me at all. So another thing I was going to do for you guys is a size comparison. So here's my old phone. I'm just going to take the case off so you can see the actual sizing. Excuse this, it's so grubby. It really needs cleaning. So in terms of size, they are pretty much exactly the same size, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say they're the same size. So it's kind of annoying that the camera is the other way around because now I need to buy all new cases even though it is the same size, which is really frustrating. I do really love this phone. I think it's really beautiful. I really love the back and all the different colours it sort of catches, even though it is silver. When you see it in person, it does really catch the light. It's really beautiful and I really like that. And I like the full display on it as well. And I'm definitely not ungrateful, I really do. But in the camera, apparently this is supposed to have like really good selfie camera on it. I'm going to take a photo with this tomorrow and I'm going to show you guys and I'll attach it into the video. And then I'll also take a photo with my 6S Plus and attach that in the video too, so you can see comparisons. So then I don't have to do it now. Yeah, it does have portrait mode, which you can enable, and then you can change all the different effects on here. So you can have natural light, you can have studio light, you can have contour light, you can have stage light, or you can have stage light mono, which is really cool. I really like that. I like all those different settings and I'm looking forward to playing with them. Started using it yet, so I haven't really started testing it properly, but from initial feel and everything, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's come down on marks for me because it didn't come with the fancy charger and it didn't come with the earbuds, and also like the little nodule at the top. I really would have preferred it without that, but other than that, it's a really nice phone and it really does feel like a complete upgrade from mine or a 6S Plus. You're really definitely going to feel the difference. Like even when I was setting it up, everything is so much faster and it was downloading my apps all at the same time, so I had loads of things to do and it's still so much faster. I thought that initially the Face ID would be a really tacky touch and I wouldn't like that, but that's actually really nice as well because I don't have to enter anything. I can just swipe up them straight in my phone. I'm overall looking forward to playing with the camera and having a more up-to-date phone that runs faster. So if you are interested in seeing it, I am planning on doing a video where I go out and I have a photo shoot on the camera. If you guys know me already, you'll know I used to do modelling. So I'm going to try and do my model poses and do all my makeup up all nice and go out and have a photo shoot on this camera. We're just basically going to go out and shoot a few of the same look but using like the different settings on the phone and really exploring the options on the phone. I would do a comparison with my 6S Plus, but I am actually trading this in to get the money to have been able to afford this. Go out and take a few photos on here and I'm going to film that and I will be putting that up in a few weeks time. Okay, thanks again for watching my video. If you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Like I said at the start, I'm trying to grow my channel and it's taken so long because I don't post enough. I have millions and millions of things lined up, but I just forget or things get in the way or I get really busy or I'm too tired after work so I don't get around to it. So I'm going to really try and get those videos up and grow my channel. So I will see you in my next video next week. Goodbye!